Welcome to another short video tutorial, this time on creating new users. Users must first be added to the system before they can be assigned to a project. Creating users is a superuser function by default, although custom roles can be created or existing ones amended to allow this to be done by any role your company chooses. To create a new user, click the Administrator menu item and select Users. Then click Create New User. In the dialog box, fill in the user's details. You can choose to allocate a password manually or have the system generate one for you. You can also choose whether to enforce a password reset upon the user logging in for the first time. It's recommended you leave this ticked. In the Access Rights tab, by default, Standard User is selected. This can be changed to Superuser if you want to set up additional superusers within your company. We recommend you keep the number of superusers to a minimum, although having a couple of superusers does mean you don't have to share login details and is useful in the event of a superuser being off sick or on holiday, for example. Once everything is entered, click OK to save the user. They will be emailed with their login details and can immediately access the NeXuS cloud. Assuming two-factor authentication is enabled, they'll also be asked to authenticate with a text message which will be sent to their mobile phone. At this point, it's worth noting that the user hasn't been allocated any roles or projects, and this will be covered in a separate video which will cover roles and permissions in more detail.